Hello, my name is Erin. This tutorial shows how to duplicate pages in Adobe Acrobat. There are several ways to accomplish this task, so we'll focus on the two methods I believe are the most efficient. The first method shows how to duplicate pages using the copy and paste functions. The second method shows how to duplicate pages using keyboard shortcuts. Plus, the pro tip at the end shows how to enable the multi-page selection option. I'll be using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. These steps also apply to Adobe Acrobat 2020 and Adobe Acrobat 2017. In addition, there are only slight differences between the steps for PC and Mac. Those differences will be discussed within the relevant steps. Adobe's free PDF display software, Acrobat Reader, doesn't provide a way to duplicate pages. Before we begin, please note that I'll be performing these steps in the Organize Pages screen. However, these steps can also be performed in the Page Thumbnails pane, which you can access on the left side of the main screen. To duplicate pages using the Copy and Paste method, begin by selecting the Tools tab. Next, select the Organize Pages button in the Tools Center. Within the Organize Pages screen, select the page thumbnails you want to duplicate. The pages will have a blue border when selected. To select multiple consecutive pages, select the first page, and then press and hold the Shift key as you select the last page. To select multiple non-consecutive pages, select the first page, and then press and hold the Control key on a PC or Command key on a Mac as you select additional pages. You may also see the Enable Multiple Page Selection option at the bottom of your screen. This option lets you select multiple consecutive and non-consecutive pages without using the keyboard. If this option is missing, please stay tuned for the pro tip at the end of this tutorial to learn how to turn it on. Once your pages are selected, right-click them on a PC or Control-click them on a Mac, and then select Copy from the shortcut menu. Next, move your cursor to where you want to duplicate the pages, and then click the blue bar and select Paste from the shortcut menu. Your duplicated pages should be pasted into your PDF. To duplicate pages using keyboard shortcuts, once again select the Tools tab, and then select the Organize Pages button. Next, select the page thumbnails you want to duplicate. To select multiple consecutive pages, select the first page and then press and hold the Shift key as you select the last page. To select multiple non-consecutive pages, select the first page and then press and hold the Control key on a PC or Command key on a Mac as you select additional pages. Now, press and hold the Control key on a PC or the Option key on a Mac as you drag the pages to a new position. Then, release the pages and then the Control key or the Option key when you see the blue line where you want to insert the duplication. It's important to release the pages just a moment before releasing the Control or Option key on your keyboard. Your duplicate pages should be inserted into your PDF. The Enable Multiple Page Selection option at the bottom of the Organize Pages screen lets you select multiple consecutive or non-consecutive pages without using the keyboard. If you don't see this option, you can turn it on in your software's preferences. To begin, press Ctrl plus K on a PC or Command plus K on a Mac. Next, select the General tab in the Preferences dialog box. And then select the Touch Mode menu arrow and select Always. Followed by the OK button. If your Organize Pages screen is open, select the Close button, and then reopen it by selecting the Tools tab, followed by the Organize Pages button in the Tools Center. The Enable Multiple Page Selection option should now appear at the bottom of your Organize Pages screen. As always, remember to save your PDF to save your changes. I have created many other tutorials about Adobe Acrobat, including how to extract pages from PDFs in Adobe Acrobat and how to create a blank PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Please see the complete list in the playlist titled How to Use Adobe Acrobat, which is linked in the description box below. All the steps we just performed are listed with images on ErinWriteWriting.com, along with all my other writing-related software tutorials to help you succeed at work and in the classroom. Feel free to leave me a comment if there's a specific topic that you'd like me to talk about in the future. And please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss upcoming tutorials. And give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching.